Now, the trick to daubing is if you're laying flat, it doesn't really matter which way you go. But if you're going downhill like I'm doing, you daub from the top down. And it's just, you're just zip, 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 zip. As you can see, I've already got this one done somewhat. Here, I'll bring you into it and show it to you. And all I've done was just start at the top and just zip, 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 zip. And this has got enough penetration that once I get this done and I take the grinder to it, it'll be thicker than it is because it's getting enough in there. But that's all. It's just, I'm just going to go, like using this porter, I'm just going to go zip, 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 just so it's filled up. Because it's going to be tall, because you're just tacking, but it'll be tall enough to fill that in. But you don't have to cut a hole. You can just zip this up. Like I've said all along, this is just my personal driving around every day, daily driver. I want to get on the road. So I ain't worried about a concourse redo. This is what you can do at home to get it on the road, make it look really good for a little to nothing. Okay. But that's what this is all about. It's just, this is me. You guys are going to blow my thing up about how I'm doing it. I don't care. This is how I do it. It works. It's easy. It's cheap. I didn't pay $185 for a panel plus $100 shipping. I just didn't. Oh, by the way, auto darkening hood is the way to go. Like I said, I'm just working side to side. Just a little zinc, zinc, zinc. Is that a cool? Whoop. All right, that one's stuck. All right. All right. See how nice that's coming in? Works great. Done. Done. Now we'll take grinder to it, and if we need to, we'll just do a little daub, little daub. We'll spin it over once we get this done. We'll throw a little paint on the back of it so it won't rust because I got everything else coated on the inside. And we're done.